welcome back to my channel and to the Mushroom Kingdom. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on the iconic Princess Peach from Super Mario, who recently had quite a bit of a badass character makeover in the new upcoming movie, and not just the damsel in distress anymore. Already wearing blue circle lenses, Moonlight Blue from Oh My Kitty for you. I'm covering half of my eyebrows. To see this step, click this link. Prime your skin. For that smooth animation look, you will want to use a full coverage foundation, and also especially if you cover the eyebrows, you will want to have something full coverage just like the eyebrows, otherwise you're gonna see the difference. I'm using Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. All products are added to the description. Below my eyeshadow, I'll be using two different P. Louise eyeshadow bases. I'll be using the 0.5 just below my eyebrows, and on my lid I will be using in 0, which is more or less white. And the reason for this is because I'm using a very light pink eyeshadow and I really want it to pop. Starting off with a light skin color shade below my eyebrows, or remaining eyebrows. And to go with my cat ears, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing cat ears, it's because one of the power-ups in some of the games is that Princess Peach and the other characters can be turned into cats. Yeah, so just in case you wondered. And to go with my cat ears, I'm going to be using the Stay Sassy Aristocats palette by I Heart Revolution, starting with the shade Gable. Next I'm going in with shade Marie. Use it in the crease and at the side. I'm then moving over to the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, using a brown shade called Musk. To start making my eyes look a little bit more cartoonish, I'm going to be starting with the Note highlighting pencil. It's not white, but it's really light. Add it to your waterline on the inner and outer corner. Then a blue pencil in the middle to make your iris look bigger. Now using the inner eye brightener in Linen by NYX below my eyes. I'm now going in with the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium, and I'm gonna do a little shadow under my eyes, which will help my eyes look bigger. And then some black eyeliner. Have you actually seen the game called Super Princess Peach, where her mood swings are actually her superpower? Whoops, I got some eyeliner in my eye. Oh no. So what I just started to talk about when I did my makeup mistake was that there's a game called Super Princess Peach, where her mood swings are actually her superpowers, which is really funny. Like anger makes things burn, happiness makes her fly, sadness makes things grow, makes her run faster, and one that I will need right now, which is calm, which refills her health. So just hang on a second. There you go, it worked! Apply it going out in the outer corner, then a line going down and a line going under the eyes, slightly below the lash line. Go in with the pink eyeshadow again under the eyes. And then I'm going in with the dark brown underneath my eyes and just slightly in the corner. Curl your lashes and add mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And then for lashes, I'll be using these Farah lashes by Huda Beauty. And now it's time to finally add some eyebrows. Excuse me. To start off, I'm going to lighten my eyebrows slightly using Dermacolor Camouflage Cream Makeup in D64. Put a little bit on a spoolie and then brush it through my eyebrow hairs. Then I'm using Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty. I'm using the liquid side. Use some concealer to correct the shape. Then I'm going in with the other side to fill in my eyebrows. Now it's time for contouring, and let's speed through this. the contouring done, I will be using Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge in Pale Pink. I'm applying it more or less where my cheekbones are and a bit below them. Add some powder, but avoid the lip area. And now it's time for my favorite part of the tutorial, which is Peach's round, big, full lips. And for this, I'll be using 3 products. I'm starting off with adding some foundation on the outer part of my lips to draw a new shape. The first lip product is a slightly darker pink Nude Cream lipstick in 109, drawing a roundish shape. I think I'm happy with the shape of it, so now I'm going to just take off some of the color and go in with a lighter pink shade, which is L'Oreal Paris lip liner in Confidentiel. Confidentiel. Use it on the inside of the lip and blend it into the darker color. And I'm gonna take a cotton bud and I'm just gonna smudge the edges slightly to stop it being too severe. I'm then taking a brown pencil and drawing 2 lines down and 1 in the middle. Last step is adding some light pink lip gloss. This is called Brilliant. It's On My Gloss by Rimmel. To make them look more 3D, add a light brown pencil in the corner of the mouth and a darker brown on the bottom of your top lip to create a shadow. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I've been planning a Princess Peach makeup tutorial in my head for years, and with the new movie coming out, I just had to do it. Let me know in the comments if you'll be watching it, and if you already have, what you thought of it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to see my future videos. See you in the next video!